morning children. How are you? Hope all of you doing well. See, previous class we learned about compare and orders. So before starting new lesson, once again I'll remind you children. What is compare? How will compare the two numbers children? See, when you comparing the two numbers, suppose one number is having 3 digits, another number is having 4 digits. See, 4-digit number is bigger number. Suppose if you're having both numbers, if you're having same digits, how will compare children? We'll start from highest place when numbers. So next order the numbers. Order means what will do children? Numbers if you're having more than 3 numbers, if you arrange the numbers in ascending and descending, what will do children? First we'll draw the boxes and we'll write the places in each box, and all the numbers we'll write in boxes, and we'll start from highest place values and we'll find arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Children, today I am going to teach you S4, compatible numbers and rounding of numbers. See, first I'll take one example children. Example 6. See, how do I need if I have 6 to form 10 children? See, are you understood children? How more do I need if I have 6 to form 10? That means here is equal to 10. To form 10, here 6 is there. How much more I need to make 10 children? 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. See, next another example I will take. 7 plus dash. How many I need children here more? 3. Suppose I have 2 here. How many I need? 8. Okay. Suppose I have 5. How many numbers I need? 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Children, now I'll take 2-digit numbers. That is 80. See, I'm having 80 here. Now 100 here. So how many more I need? How many tens I need to make 100 children? How many more tens you need? 20. Okay. Next term, I'll take 30. So how many more I need children? 30, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That means 7 tens I need. Suppose if I have 60, how many tens? Children, 40. Okay children. Now I'll take 75. Children, it is confused, no? 75. We have 75. How many tens you need to make hundreds, children? Don't confuse, children. If you confuse, right here. Yes, 75 is there. No. Next, 85. 75 to 85, 1 tens. 85, 95. See, 85, 95. 2 tens for 95. More, how many number you need to make 100 here? After 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So, more 5. That means how many? 10, 20, 25. Yes, 25 I need to, 25 number I need to make 75, 100. So, next I'll take 65 children. See again, how many numbers you need children here? 65. Next you count, go on count here. After 65, 75. 65 to 75, 1 tens. 75. Next 85. Next 95. How many tens are there here? 75, 85, 95. 95. After 95, how many numbers you need to make 100? More 5 we need children. So 1, 10, 20, 30 and 35. So 35 we need to make 100. thousands. See how many, now I have two hundreds. Now I want to make thousand. How many hundreds you need, children? So 200, see how will count, children? 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. So how many hundreds you need, children? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hundreds you need. How many? 8 hundreds. Next, suppose if you have 700. So if you have 700, how many you need to make 1000? How many more hundreds you need to make 1000? So 300. Say okay, children. Okay, children. Now 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Suppose 70 plus 30 is equal to 100, and 400 plus 600 is equal to 1000. All examples is on, no, children. These all numbers is called compatible numbers. 6 plus 4 add, will add, no, these numbers will form rounding numbers. So here for 70, how many numbers, how many tens you added? 30. For 400, 600. See, this round of numbers, when you add two numbers, this all you found round of numbers. See, these numbers are called compatible numbers. See, and also known as friendly numbers. 6 plus 4, 70 plus 30, 400 plus 600. Now, what you understand, children? Compatible numbers means numbers which added to form rounded number are called compatible number, or these are also known as friendly numbers. Once again, I'll read, children. Numbers which added to form rounded numbers. For example, 6 plus 4, 10. We rounded, no, children, there. So, rounded number are called compatible number. And these are also known as friendly numbers. Compatible numbers are used to add and subtract quickly. See, for example, 6, 3, 4, 7, 2. This you have to add, children. How will add fast here? Here compatible numbers are 7 plus 3 is 10, and 6 plus 4 is 10. 2 tens 20, 22, children. See how will here in subtraction, how will find in subtraction quickly, children, with this answer if you find. So what you have to do, 100 minus 80. 100 minus 80 is 20. So 20 is the answer. Like this they will find the quickly answer. Children, now I'll explain rounding off. Rounding off numbers means approximately. Approximately means what, children? See, when we do not know the exact number, our convenient will use rounding off. For example, if we go to the party, birthday party. Suppose if anyone asks how many members are present in the birthday party, means what will say, children? 50, 60. Like this will say, no. Generally, we'll say in a rounding off number. Suppose if we go to reception, in big party will be there. How will you say answer? If anyone ask how many people are present, means you will say in big numbers. 100, 200. Okay, children? Children, now I'll explain how to round off the numbers. Before starting the round off numbers, you have to follow two rules. Which are the two rules, children? See, first one, numbers is less than 5, round it down. See, second one, numbers greater than 5, round it up. Children, now I'll explain rounding to the nearest tens. For example, 26. See, we are 26. Here, tens place, what number is, which number is there? 2. For rounding up this number, we have to check 6. One's place number. So 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5, children? 0 and this number will be changed in tens place. So 30. Understood children? So 26 is rounded to 30. Now 32. 32. So we are rounding this number. No, again we have to check in one space. 2 is less than 5 or greater than 5. So 2 is less than 5. So 0 and if it is less than 5, this number will be no change. So again 30. So 32 is rounded to 30. Next 57. So again 57. 7 is greater than 5. So 7 is greater than 5, no 0. So if it is greater than 5, what you have to do children? This number will be changed to 5 to 6. So 57 is rounded to 60. Children, now rounding to the nearest hundreds. See, for nearest hundreds, in hundreds place, which number is there? 2. For rounding of this number, we have to check tens place. Tens place, which number is there? 3. So 3 is less than 5. So here 3, 0, 0. So 3 is less than 5, no? So no. Children, now rounding to the nearest 100. When you rounding the number of hundreds place, you have to check in the tens place. Now here 3 is there children. This 3 is less than 5 or greater than 5. 3 is less than 5. So 0, 0. So this is less than 5. No, this number will be not changed. Now next example 465. 6 is greater than 5. So what will do children? Here 6 is there, no? 0, 0 and here 6 is there, no? This number will be changed. So instead of 4 we'll write here 5. Means 236 is nearest to 200 and 468 is rounded to 500. See now third example, rounding to the nearest 1000. Now we are doing thousands place rounding number. So now for rounding up for in thousands place, we have to check in hundreds place. So now here 6 is there. 6 is greater than 5. So what will write? What will do? 0, 0, 0. Here 6 is there. What will happen here? This number will be changed. So 2648 is rounded to 3000. Next here 3451 is there. We have to check in hundreds place. So 4 is less than 5. So 0, 0, 0. So this is less than 5. No, this number will be not changed. So this number is rounded to 3000. Children, how these two are related? See, compatible number and rounding off. See, rounding off help us to work on large numbers and compatible numbers together give a rounded off numbers. Children, once again I'll read. Rounding off help us to work on large numbers. Compatible numbers together give a rounded off numbers. Children, now you take workbook page number 11. See in the workbook, first question is match the compatible numbers in the columns. See what is the first question? Match the compatible numbers in the two columns. See first question 70,000 is there. What is the compatible number for 70,000? See compatible numbers you know no children for 7. Which is the compatible number? 3. So 70,000 plus 30,000 is for A answer is D is the answer. Second one B 19,000. 19,000 which is the compatible number? E is the correct answer. Now for C 4,30,000. Here 4 lakhs, concentrate on 30,000 children. For 30,000 which is the compatible number? 70. So for this is B is 5,70,000. Now D 7,25,000. For 25,000, which is the compatible number? What is the compatible number, children? 75. So for D is the A is the correct answer. Now E 64,000. Last one is C is the answer. Okay, now coming to next question. Round off for, what is the question? Round off the following to nearest 10,000. See here A1 1,82,937. In 10,000 space, which number is there? 8. So in for 10,000 space you want to round. So which number you have to check? 1,000 space. Is 1,000 place 2 is there? No, 2 is less than 5. So this is rounded to 80,000. Understood, children? Next in 10,000 place 9 is there. For 9 before number you have to check. Yes, 0 is there. So this is rounded to 90,000. So next here 10,000 place 6 is there, children. So in 6 place 6 is there, no? Here before number 2 is less than 5. So this number will be not changed. Its value is, it's rounded to 60,000. Children, complete S3 and thank you, children. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.